going to try to wrap. I just wrapped this one, and it didn't turn out exactly the way I wanted it, so I'm going to use copper and a piece of dichroic glass and try it again. It's been a while since I've made these, and it'll take me a little bit to get back to where I was about 20 years ago or more. Well, it wasn't 20, it probably was 15. But it seems like about 20 now. Okay, these are 13-inch long, and I'm going to use round, dead soft copper wire. It's 20 gauge. And these are about 15 inches. These are 13 inches. We're going to find the center of these. Let's get them even. And then find the center. And I try not to hit the camera because every time I do it, and whenever I'm looking at the video afterwards, I lose sound. So I'm going to try not to hit it. I'm not going to guarantee it because every time I use long wires, it never fails. And I made that piece of dichroic glass in my kiln. I used to make lampwork beads. I could still make them. I've got all the stuff to do it, but just not the time. Thinking maybe whenever I retire, I'll have a bunch of stuff to do. So, all right. And our dichroic glass is set for a while, so I guess I put a piece of leather on the back because I was gonna bead around them, but I never did, so that's why it's got leather on it, but otherwise you can see through it, so. Go across. Alright, and take that across. Let's see. I'm having to compare because it's been a while. I want to go that way. My husband's out there talking to my son. If you can hear somebody talking. Now, I'm going to take that and go around. Okay, I think I've already messed up. It's been a while since I've done this. I don't think I've got it exactly where I need it to be. Let's undo that. Take this around the back. And then go around it. All right. Now, I've messed up my wires back there. I may have to totally start over. And go back around that again. Go around like that. I don't think I have it caught good here, so we'll have to do something to secure it down here. And I am going to leave that hanging there for a minute. And then we're going to take this and you put your finger in it and go around. Make a little curl. Don't think I left my wires long enough. I'm going to go like this. This is going to be different because I don't have enough wire left. Alright, let's see, what am I doing? I didn't cut long enough wire. So, I've got to figure out how to get this in here. We'll make the clasp. Go down here. Yeah. So, let me think what I'm doing here. See if I can slide that under. Oops, I'm hitting the stuff. I think I just popped my stone out. Alright, get that back. Alright. Go around that. Do I want to cut that off? No, not yet. Not till I know I'm done with it. I'm going to go in between let's see. See if I can catch it. Now, get this where I want it. I want it higher up, but let's pull it out of there. We'll start over. Alright, we're going to take these. Go in here. Pull it out a little bit. Then I'm going to take it and I'll hold them out a little bit. And then I'm going to bend them. Didn't mean to hit the camera. Alright. I put a curl up here. Alright, let's turn this back. Alright, we've got it that far. Alright, now you take your finger. Try to get it together. And take your finger and you use your finger. Go around like that. We're going to go through, slide it through. Try to get it back together. Go around the back. Oh, I'm through something I don't want to be through. Wait a minute. Let's go back. Went through one of my loops up here on the front. I'm still going through it. I can't see. My husband and son smoked a turkey for Thanksgiving, and he's telling someone about it over the phone. So, so if you heard anything about a turkey, that's what it's about. He's so tickled. They smoked a turkey, and it did turn out good. Alright, we're gonna go. No, we're not going that way. Let's straighten it back out. This is a little forgiving, but on software, ain't great, but. Alright, how can I do that and get where I need to be? Going around this way. Go down. I don't have enough to put that big coil up there at the front. I'll go there and try to pull it down there. Oh, I pulled too hard. thinking while I'm doing this. That's why I'm so quiet. Alright, we don't want that big of a swoop on it. We don't want it that high up. We need to go down a little bit further. So I'm going to have to move that to here. Let's see if we can get through. Maybe right there. Oh gosh. All right. Alright, we're going to cut that and we're going to twist this up in here. Alright. Now, we've got these two wires. And I'm thinking about taking them through here, pulling them through here. Try to straighten them out a little bit so they'll lay beside of each other. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to join them here. Or here. Maybe here. Let's put them here. So I'm going to cut them. Hold it. Whoop, I dropped it. Well, that ain't what I was going for, but it's pretty. I wanted a big swirl up here, but it's coming back to me. I got this part right, or close to being right. I don't know. I'll eventually remember how I did that, because it's been It's been a little while. But it's still a hot mess on the back. And these are tarnished. They've been sitting so long. Well, I hope that you could see what I did. And, I mean, it's pretty. You could open this up a little bit so it hangs a little bit better. Might need to adjust it once you get to your chain in it. That's our 20 gauge dead soft round copper wire and dichroic glass that I made in the kiln. And it's a pendant. And thanks for those of you that stuck it out to the end. I really appreciate it. It really helps me out. And thanks for liking and subscribing. And I'll see you on the next one. Until then, bye-bye. Y'all take care out there.